a breakfast taco with tofu eggs and coconut bacon, and a blueberry, homemade blueberry waffle. That's my dessert. Hold on.
Not good. I hate this. I don't know what was happening.
Jordan. The breakfast taco, right?
You more of a what there? You more of a salt was not fake salt.
Not sweet.
Salt over sugar. Yeah.
I'm more of a savory breakfast person.
This foodless lemons.
Cause I don't eat what?
Sugar.
You've always been like that.
Yeah, do not get him started.
I'm going to go AWOL somewhere in this region. A deacon in 10 or chopper in north with the Thai SWAT team to try to locate. Okay, what can we do? We got to do something.
Yeah, I would go.
Maybe there is. Honda was visiting the site of the green tea heroin factory. Now, from intel on this end, it sounds like it's back up. Now, Deacon didn't get much on the call, but he did get a name. It's all men. He's drug lord running the operation.
They got drug lords out there.
His factory's up, right?
This is amazing.
Maybe Zalman is too. Okay, the local dealer that Rita busted, he seemed to
This is amazing.
maybe not doubles by Nando.
Right now,
it's a wrong.
Hey, Jordan! I'm so glad you guys came. Yeah.
That's why for the big search and rescue, it was not done when there was much speed. Have you had any contact?
No, we haven't heard anything.
When I spoke to Hunter, he mentioned something about ruins. Does that mean anything to you? Let's start there.
I need you to find out.
Michelle, tell me I don't have jurisdiction. I'm deputizing you. Right now, that's what team.
I used to speak to people when I had to speak to people, and I'm the one that put the people right there, and I'm about to put the people right there.
Let me have one of those spoons. Let me have the spoon over there, Tony. The one that has sour cream on
You
it.
told Detective Rios more shipments were coming. We
Thank
need
you.
the name of your connection now. We're looking at 5 years for possession.
Tell your dad. Tell your dad. Okay. Literally every single day. Ain't no more coconut water?
Might be a nickname. I don't know. Oh, come on, that's not enough. What else you got?
Jalapeno.
Do a hand on that coconut water out there, but you didn't grow no hand. Go get it to your hand and go. Starts telling me about this man who took him off the streets, put him to work in a heroin factory in the jungle. It's gonna be so, man. Where do we find this guy left? Tomorrow. Dad, give it back to us like you said. What time is it? Why, you got somewhere else to be besides prison? No. Left. He always brags about the food in LA. Said the only place he eats is one restaurant. Oh, I can't remember the name. Begins with an M? Something about it being a taste of home. It's probably Burger's restaurant. It's so safe, man. Zooming's got eyes everywhere. We should keep it. Tell that to the Jeep that's in more shape than you are, Joe. You need to talk.
Cleaning up your mess. Hand me the syrup over there, Tony.
Sir, can I borrow your phone? Telephone.
It's a lot of sour cream.
No way, glass.
Stop, no, stop. Don't do that.
Sir, can I borrow your phone? Please.
Don't do that. And don't look like that, like somebody, like you was doing something good. You were in the wrong.
Here, for you. For you. Thank you. Thinking it's me, you copy. We're airborne. We're looking for you. Any chance you know your coordinates?
Blueberry waffle.
All right,
You can taste the nutmeg, the cinnamon.
Years from now, you're gonna be drinking cold beer, bragging about how your friend. I don't think you get to be here for this time. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
No. Come on, stay awake, stay awake. You ain't dying on me today, Joe. We got a wife and kids.
You're gonna be asleep.
Hey, you hear that? You hear that? They're coming. Get a baby.
I can take a place for that type of stuff.
I don't know why you get paper plates.
And also they get a little waffle and half.
They can get their own. No. Yeah, it's pancakes. If they want something, they get pancakes.
Someone got to them just before us.
Your blood must be Joe's. None of us lying about it being in bad shape.
Whose plate is it?
Hey, they obviously know something, but they won't talk. And someone has to say something.
And that was from that waffle.
Which way did they go?
The tester.
I don't really care for waffles and stuff. Just
You better school on. You should stay over here.
That's Hondo's watch. Yeah, that's Hondo's watch. Hey. Stop. Hey, stop. Hey, Sunshine, tell him. He's on trouble. I just need to know. The man whose watch that is, where did he go?
ใจเย็นนะเราไม่ได้มาจับลุงเราแค่อยากรู้เฉยๆว่าผู้ชายคนที่ให้นาฬิกาเรือนให้กับลุงอ่ะเขาไปไหนแล้ว The ghost man took them. Ghost.
I put a little bit of beans in here.
People say my food kills sleep, so they
No, it's you too. They want me posting every single day. It's the bomb, man.
I was thinking of regular stuff.
I don't know where I have you. Okay.
Hey, on my count. 3, 2, 1. Put it down. Where's Hondo? You really think I'm gonna help you find your friend?
You know what Hondo is? You better start talking now.
The Mohinga here's the best in the city. Finally done.
Hey, focus right here.
I must say, I definitely love the taco more than I love the waffle. It's a little dessert, but
I forgot to eat in a lot.
yeah.
Which I eat tacos. But I gotta take a minute.
We've been taking a break of tacos.
I gotta take a minute of the Chipotle.
Okay, that was freaking nasty. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.